Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you how to check mobile number owner's name using a simple app right on your phone. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Google Play Store app. You'll usually find it either on your home screen or inside the app's drawer. Step 2. Once you're in the Play Store, go to the search bar at the top. Type in the name Truecaller and then press the search icon. Step 3. From the search results, find the Truecaller app. It should be one of the first results. Now, tap on the install button to begin downloading the app. Step 4. After the installation is complete, go ahead and open the Truecaller app. The app will ask for a few permissions, like access to your contacts and phone. Grant the permissions and follow the on-screen instructions to set everything up. Step 5. Now that the app is ready, look at the top of the screen where the search bar is located. Tap on it and then type the mobile number you want to look up. After entering the number, press search. And there you go. The app will show you the name of the person or company that owns that mobile number. It's fast, easy, and super useful if you're trying to identify unknown callers. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.